Dudes always walk next to their mom. Like they don't let them walk alone. Look at this one. That's the coolest thing. I mean, this is amazing. Shh. This is a dump startler. He's huge. How many do you think there is? Like, seriously, 40, 50?